Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download SolidCAM for SolidWorks officially from the original SolidCAM website. No cracks, no modified files, and no illegal sources. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip for students and trial users. Step 1. Go to the official SolidCAM website. First, open your web browser. Now search for SolidCAM Official Download. Click on the official SolidCAM website. Important, always download SolidCAM only from the official SolidCAM website. Do not download from third-party or cracked websites. They are unsafe. Step 2. Sign in or create SolidCAM account. Sign in with your SolidCAM account or create a free account using your email ID. Step 3. Choose SolidCAM for SolidWorks. Once you're on the SolidCAM website, select SolidCAM for SolidWorks. SolidCAM works as an add-in inside SolidWorks, so make sure SolidWorks is already installed on your PC. Step 4. Select version and operating system. Now you'll see options to choose. SolidCAM version, latest available version, compatible SolidWorks version, operating system, Windows 10 or 1164-bit recommended. After selecting everything correctly, click on Download. Bonus tip, if you are a student, contact your college, university, or training institute. Many institutes provide SolidCAM student or educational licenses. You may get free trial access or extended usage legally. This way, you can learn CAM programming professionally without paying. So that's how you can download SolidCAM for SolidWorks officially and safely. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe to the channel for more CAD/CAM software tutorials. Comment below which software you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.